This video shows you an exciting way of making $200 per day, and I'm excited to walk you through. See you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Book a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services, so you can check out our website www.rockaworld.com for more information. What I'm about to share with you is completely free, and with the help of AI, it makes everything even more easier. However, you might consider upgrading to the apps as you progress in your career. Like we can see, we are already on the Google Trends website. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to explore and find like what's trending, what news are trending right now. So we are going to click here where it says trending now. You click on it like that. Then here you can choose a specific country that you want to get the news from. So if you want, for example, to go in Kenya, you can click on Kenya, and there is more options over here that you can explore and choose which country that you want to get news from. Okay. So now let's see what other popular searches in Kenya. There is this one about Joe Biden and Wanjigi. You see, guys, so you can scroll down and see, and you can also see about the tax bill, and you see how many searches it has currently. Okay, so you can continue and go down to find what more you want to work with. Like you can see, Chivido is also trending in Kenya. You know, yeah. So you just have to go through everything. So in this particular case, I'm going to go with United States. So I'm going to click on United States, and you can see it has brought Indian fever, which has 50K, over 50K plus searches. So this is really good news. Okay, so you can just go over the whole thing and like seek more information, more news, and you see which one you want to work with. Once you are certain with which topic you want to cover, you can just come and click on it like this. You can Google search it to confirm the news, and also you can just scroll down to see the related news about the case you're covering. Okay, so after that, you can also go ahead to click on here to read more or to learn more about everything. Okay, so it will take you to a website that completely talks about this in detail, and like you can see, you can just go through everything like this. So guys, I just thought I should go with the presidential debate. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to highlight this, then you'll copy it and save it somewhere. Now that you have the heading saved, you're just going to come and use Google News. So you can also get like trending news from Google News. So you will just paste the heading here. Then you're going to click on it. So it will bring you news about the presidential debate. And like you can see, you can just go through everything. So if we come here, like you can see, this one says 1 hour ago. We can click on this. And like you can see, it brings you to this page where you can explore even more. You can learn more about the news here. So far we have two places where we can get our news from, trending news from. So I'm going to show you the third place and how you can get the news from there. So the next one we are going to be using is ChatGPT, and basically what you have to do is come to ChatGPT and you give it a command like give me 10 trending news or topics in the world now. Then you'll just click on your enter button and it will generate for you the trending topics. Like you can see, guys, first it has given us what we've actually been working on: the Biden debate performance, the Supreme Court rulings, AI and technology trends, you know, permanent jewelry, everything. And it's still generating even more. After going through all of them, you can come and choose which topic you want to work with. For example, the Biden debate performance, you can just highlight third, and then you can copy it and you'll go paste it in Google Trends over here. Then you'll paste it to explore. Okay, you click on the explore button, so they'll give you details of this topic. Like you can see, it was really, really high, but now it's coming down, I guess. Yeah. So, but you can also go down here to view the related topics and you can choose which one you want to work with. Okay. Now that we have two sources of news, one being Google Trends and the other being the Google News, where we can get trending news, we will move on to our next step, which is going to be using InVideo AI. And basically, you just need to sign in. And I'm just going to show you what to do in a minute. So once you're inside the app, its interface looks like this. You are basically going to go. This is actually optional, but I'm going to show you what to do. Now you can go here where it says plugins and you can click on voices. Here you can add your own recorded voice, which you could have recorded from your phone or your computer. And if you are still not sure of how to do it, you can just go to any of your favorite browsers and type in free audio recorder. Then they'll bring you a variety of free audio recorders that you can visit and record your video to upload. After here, you'll come back on the home page and you'll click on the create AI video. Then it's going to ask you for a topic. Now, once it asks you for a topic, you can go to Google Trends or Google News. So it does not matter. Okay. So you'll click on the news that you want to share. And now we will use this as our topic. So we'll just highlight and copy it. Then we are going to go and paste it in InVideo where it says, give me a topic, language, and detailed instructions. So we are going to paste that there. Then after pasting that there, we are going to come down here where it says explore all. Then we are going to click on that button. So there we shall click on the news video. Okay. So it says create a news video about. So we are going to go back here. And then we are going to come here where it says Carrie Lake says the debate showed Biden is not equipped to run this country. So we are going to highlight this like this. Then we're going to copy it and we are going to paste it. Sorry. And we are going to paste it in our InVideo where it says create a news video about. Then we are going to paste it there. So here they ask for optional Wikipedia link. So we are going to come back here and we are going to highlight this URL. We are going to copy it and we are going to go and paste it. We are going to go and paste it in InVideo. Okay. So we are going to come here and we paste it here. So next it says make the background music. So if you want to add background music, you can add it from here. And here comes the settings. So here you can choose a female or a male to read your news. And here you can choose any voice or a clear American voice. You want them with a Californian accent or a New York accent. You can come and choose from here. Not to forget to mention, if you recorded your voice like I showed you earlier on, you should be able to find it here under this section. Okay, guys. So here you can choose a narrator, whether you want this or you want speaker one, speaker two to read the news. You can choose, but in this particular case, I'm just going to leave the settings how they are. And if you want to add any subtitles, you can add them from here. You want to use a watermark text, you can also add it here. This will personalize your content. Okay, so you can use iStock as needed, use YouTube audio library only. There is options here that you can explore. Now, once you are contented with what you've created so far, you can click on continue. Then after that, you're just going to click on the generate a video button. Then you'll give it time to generate the video for you. Okay. Once the analysis is done, they'll bring you something like this. They'll bring you the audience. So what are you looking for? News followers or debate watchers or political personnels? Or is it dramatic or clean, bright? Which platforms are you looking to share the video to? YouTube Shorts, or Facebook? So once you choose what you want, you're just going to come here and you click on continue. Then, like you can see, our video is processing right now. Okay, so we are just going to give it some time to be generated. So we are just going to click on this video and see how it has come out.
The political stage is heating up after last night's showdown, and Carrie Lake has something to say. Following the CNN presidential debate, Carrie Lake, prominent political figure, didn't hold back her criticism. Lake stated unequivocally, Biden is not equipped to run this country. Her comments come after a night where former President Trump dismissed Biden's climate change concerns, mocking.
So guys, we will not complete the whole of this video, but I wanted to show you another version of what I created, because I think the first one I created is way much better than this one. So we are just going to play it and yeah, we see.
If you're following the 2024 election closely, then you'll want to hear Biden's recent confession. During a high-energy post-debate rally, President Biden conceded, "I don't debate as well as I used to." This comes on the heels of a heated debate night that left many buzzing with mixed reactions. Despite the criticism, Biden's resolve remains unshaken. He headed to New York, visiting the historic Stonewall Inn and attending crucial fundraisers. Former President Obama weighed in, reminding voters that one bad debate night doesn't change Biden's lifelong.
If you'd like to edit the content, like you can see, it tells you give me a command to edit the video. So if you want to edit your video, you can just put a command, then you generate once again. And if you want to edit, you can just click on the edit button, and then you just come here and edit whatever you don't want. Like you can come to the media library, or you can upload a media here. Then you can just switch up and put whatever you want to put in this content. Okay, guys? Once you're happy with how your video looks like, you can just come here and click on the download button, and it should be able to save on your device. And guys, this brings us to the most juiciest part of this video. You're probably wondering, I have all this information, but how do I make money with it? Okay, I got you. I got you. And this is why I made this entire video for you, because I specifically want you to start making money online. Okay, so I just put our money strategy into one presentation, and it's just a 3-slide presentation. It's not long, so just hang in there. It's really brief, guys, and I'm just going to read it out for you. Okay, now basically what we are going to need first is a platform where we are going to be posting our content. So that means you can create a YouTube news channel, a website, and a blog, you know. And also, like, you can create other social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, specifically for this content. And once you've created a website, I encourage you to use SEO strategies to drive traffic. Okay, and this will help you also to improve your website, and also your content will rank higher in search engines. Whereas using social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram will help you promote your content to a wider audience, hence earning thousands of dollars on YouTube. Just make sure that you follow all YouTube's monetization policies, okay? Through my research, I've come up with six monetization strategies that we are going to be using. You can just choose the ones that you want to work with. So, number one is advertising revenue. That we can use YouTube AdSense, and by that you have to enable YouTube monetization to earn from ads displayed on your videos. Then second is website ads. You can use Google AdSense or other ad networks to place ads on your website. Then number two is sponsored content. So you can collaborate with brands for sponsored news segments or articles. Ensure the content aligns with your audience's interests. Okay. So number three is affiliate marketing. You can include affiliate links in your articles and video descriptions. You can promote products or services related to your news content. Okay. Then number four is subscription model. These there is memberships. You can offer exclusive content or early access to subscribers on platforms like YouTube memberships or Patreon. Okay, and the next one is premium content. So you can create a subscription based model on your website for ad free or exclusive news content. Okay, then number five, it's donations. Okay, so you can use platforms like PayPal, Coffee, or Buy Me a Coffee to receive donations from your audience. Okay, then number six, you can sell branded merchandise related to your news channel to your audience. Okay, I hope you can choose from one or two of these to start your monetization process. Okay. Lastly, I will give you some tips for success. Number one, quality and consistency. So you have to ensure that your content is high quality and published regularly to retain and grow your audience. Okay. And number two, engagement. You have to interact with your audience through comments, social media, and live streams to build a loyal community. Then number three, analytics. Use analytic tools to track the performance of your content, and you can adjust your strategy based on what works best. Okay. The number four is compliance. Ensure you comply with copyright laws and regulations regarding AI generated content. Then number five is stay updated with the latest AI tools and trends in the news industry to keep your content fresh and competitive. I want you to also note that by leveraging AI to streamline content creation and distribution, you can efficiently manage a news channel and explore multiple revenue streams. Isn't that interesting, guys? So, I hope you take the initiative and put everything into practice, guys. I just want to see you excel in this field so bad. I want you to start making your own money online. So just let me know in the comment section down below. Just comment initiative and I will know that you're working on it. So this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on content like this, and ring the notification bell for more content like this. Please like this video, share the video so our brothers and sisters can also benefit from this content. Okay, and thank you so much. See you in my next one. Bye.